Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the product page irresistible and credible. Good pages convert to buyers who leave reviews. Once visuals and specs are flawless, enroll in Seller Hub review tools so your buyers get verified purchase badges. Next, schedule outreach. A short SMS at delivery, an email 3-5 days later, and a subtle inbox card asking for feedback. This gives a clear path from purchase to review while staying within platform rules, so you build trust and measurable review flow quickly. Once you have the basic outreach, focus on engagement that turns buyers into reviewers. Automate 2 follow-ups, one polite request for feedback and one offering help if any issue arose. This reduces negative reviews and increases response rates. Include a QR-enabled insert directing customers to the review form and showing 3 simple steps to leave feedback. Make sure your support team resolves complaints within 48 hours, because a resolved issue often converts into a positive review versus a public complaint. You finish by optimizing and adding safe incentives that increase review volume. Analyze ratings and comments weekly to spot common issues and fix product or delivery gaps. Adjustments improve future reviews. Offer non-monetary incentives, thank you notes, small warranty extensions, or early access, which encourage honest reviews without violating policies. If reviews suddenly drop or you see many negative ratings, audit delivery, customer service responses, and outreach timing within 7 days. Correcting those points usually restores review flow and prevents long-term reputation damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.